This has been going on since 2014. It is now a tradition for us at Outback Motortek, a very frowned upon tradition that is. I mean, who goes out there to dump expensive motorcycles just to test how good or bad their crash protection bars are? It's not like other manufacturers don't have the courage. They may simply be just satisfied with their design and have faith in it. It wasn't enough for me when I first tortured my Suzuki V-Strom 650 and our crash bars by jumping off a rolling bike. I really wanted to see and experience firsthand how materials react to such extreme impact. It happened over 4 years ago, and I think our crash bars have come a long ways since then. My name is Laurie Gombos, the founder and owner of Outback Motortek, and we're here today again with my brother Danas Gombos to add 2 prestigious adventure motorcycles to the growing list of our torture-tested bikes, or more like torture-tested crash bars. This time it's a BMW R1200GS Rally and a Yamaha Super Tenere 1200. I've been posting blogs and videos of our crash bars development for both bikes. Even during the development stage, we had changed the design a couple of times by reinforcing certain parts of the crash bars based on the development stage's mini torture tests. What we're testing today is supposed to be the final shape and design after months and months of careful planning. So what you're about to see is a vital part of our product development. It's the actual crash bars test. We're torturing the crash bars, not the motorcycle. So now we're going out there, and in a few minutes we're going to find out how our crash bars perform after so many months of development. So thank you for watching. Our torture tests have come to an ending. There's a conclusion. It looks like all the improvements we've made since December, the last version of our crash bars on both bikes, everything has paid off. So we've tested the crash bars in extreme conditions, big rocks, smaller gravel, and then also dragging it across concrete floor and ground. So here are a couple of key things that we improved on the BMW 1200GS loader crash bars. We've added a triangle reinforcement here. We've increased the thickness of this tubing up here so it wouldn't bend so much. And the other big thing is now the lower tab down here, it's connected, it's one single piece. So previously our crash bars, the tubing and the tab twisted too much. So now it's not going to do the same thing again. So this is the improvements really that help so much. There are a couple of little scratches here and there on the cylinder head, but should this happen to you, you're going to be able to carry on with your ride, with your adventure. You're not going to be stuck out there. So the test concluded really well. We're so happy. We're so excited to release these crash bars. And thank you again for watching. Well, most definitely. I was expecting something like this actually. Back in 2018 December, Danish and I already had completed a series of similar tests, and we were very happy with the results, but not overly happy. So we remained critical and we worked out a few improvements. Well, it's mostly reinforced mounting tabs that play a vital role in keeping the structure together and also act as impact absorbers. It's a bit controversial due to some myth among 1200GS owners that you can get protection for the boxer engine, yet they or their mechanics can do valve adjustment without removing the crash bars. Look at it this way. Can you get a haircut with your helmet on? Well, yeah, if the helmet had a massive hole on top of it, but then it defeats the purpose of protection, right? So a helmet protects your head just like our full coverage lower crash bars protect the cylinder head of the 1200GS. You can't expect full protection and ease of maintenance on the boxer engine in the same time. We will expand our product line to the new 1200GS BMW and to KTM's latest and greatest, the 790R Adventure. This will be a very special bike to work on as it's a one-of-a-kind machine featuring elements from KTM's rally race motorcycles.
Look.